Who doesn't wish a morning which starts like this? However, we have mornings somewhat like this. So, what should we do in order to get bed sheet as good as the one that you have put and not spoiled nor anything coming up or hanging down, or you just want clean straight bed sheets on your bed every time you wake up. You do not want to arrange it again and put it under your mattresses, and who wants that? Well, we'll show you how each and every time you could have the bed sheet the same way that you put it. So stay with me. So I'm going to show you exactly how to put this bed sheet on my mattress out here. This is my bed, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you step by step how you can go ahead with the technique I'm guaranteeing you about. So starting, you will take each and every corner of the bed sheet, okay, and hold it like this, turn it around your hand like this, and pull it inwards so it forms a knot. So this is basically going to be a side knot, and I am going to do these side knots on all the four corners of the bed sheet. Now what you could do is you can even spread your bed sheet on the mattress and then measure it and do it, but as for me, I'm just going to take it approximately how much I feel would be required, and then I will go ahead putting the bed sheet on the mattress here. Again, just pull it out from here. There. So basically I'll continue doing this, and then I will tuck it under the mattress. So I'll start with the first corner, and then just approximately, like, this bed sheet has lines, so it's easier. I'm just going on tucking each and every corner, and you'll know as you tuck in the bed sheet if it's falling short or it's too loose. Then you can tighten it up. The tighter it is, a little tighter, it's better because it will hold the sheet exactly. So this is how your bed sheet is going to be perfectly fitted on your bed, and trust me, each and every time that you wake up it is going to be like this. You do not need to bother about arranging or tucking your sheets. So friends, give it a try. It is quite easy, nothing difficult. Of course, I can guarantee you that your bed sheet is not going to be as irritating as it looks every morning, where you have to keep pushing it in again under your mattresses and getting it without folds or without any creases. So this is a very good hack. I use it on my bed sheets. So give it a try. Let me know what you all have to say about this hack. Also, do share if you all have any hack which you all think would come and help to someone else out there. Send us emails or send us your comments and let us know. And also, for those of you all who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon that you see besides it to get notification on all my upcoming videos. I'll see you in another episode of How.